Njayami Rasta awungisondelele lapho neplata.
No, angikatazeli mangeli kusifuna like ukuthathelana emveni service. Babe, like
what's his number doing in your fucking phones?
bengikhulumela about lamabhizi abo wafuna angithi. Angifuna lamabhizi lawa.
Manager ungikhulumela ukuthini?
Ona nalana futhi ama-cherry wonke watshelisa
No,
yila.
that's you getting kids for me.
No, he
Sex uthami.
Msentoni.
Noma phezulu.
Ngimnandi to. Ngihleki angikho-grade.
Great. Wenzenjani mfethu?
Yo, you see these mummies? Mfana.
The other gender,
Yeah, the other gender. So there's this hand that I've been seeing since college.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, we've been pushing very and yeah, my feelings have been attached with my 100% and
Kechile,
catchy that though.
Sure.
Even my parents, they know about her and stuff and so at the end.
That's deep.
I feel like I've invested a lot of my time, my energies. I even shared my craft with her because like I'm a rapper, right?
Okay, I will.
I do that. So this one time I think her phone had issues, right?
Yeah.
Her phone had issues, so I'd gone to repair her phone. In fact, she's the one who went to go repair her phone from this other guy that I'd recommended to her. You get. So angazi, for some reason she couldn't fetch it, so she asked me to go fetch it on her behalf.
Yeah.
So yeah, I did fetch the phone. So before I went to our place,
Sure.
I just happened to pass by. There's this producer of mine, right? The guy who helps me with my beats
Yeah.
and stuff.
Yeah.
Bruh, the shittiest, craziest thing happened though.
Yeah.
Obviously, okay, the phone was on, right? So to fail. So you know how that's if you've been offline, right?
Yeah.
Once you get connected to data or Wi-Fi, like messages start like just
Yeah.
popping and stuff.
Yeah.
So that was the thing. So I stepped into my guy's place, studio rather. I stepped into my guy's studio.
Yeah.
Immediately, like your phone starts making like notifications. How So I open it trying to see. Okay, it's making noise. Let me just switch it off.
Yeah.
How? I just see like it's connected to
To the Wi-Fi.
the studio.
That's a studio.
Yeah, the nearest Wi-Fi. So it's like.
Kanjani manje?
And the funny thing, bro, I know, okay, consciously, I don't remember introducing my producer
Okay.
her.
Kodwa manje
And
usene
then,
password
yeah,
ye-Wi-Fi.
the password, the Wi-Fi and stuff like that. So
Hey.
I didn't know how to deal with that and stuff. So I just happened to come across you also. That's why I thought.
Yeah.
to
Also funa sekutholele ukuthi grand khambani.
Nangisiza before I can confront her like
Yeah.
face to face.
Hey. Hayi kodwa nje manje ngiyakuthola it's giving weird, it's giving strange kunama-flag thizeni. Kodwa ke maybe it's a coincidence kwazi ba mhlawumbe i-smartphone sakhe se-smart to the point that siyakhona ukuhacka sazi.
Asalong izolo.
Mara no bheka if kuwukuthi yabona Grantsha vele khona kayithunayo wrong sendaweni e-right njayami lana se-invasion of privacy vele yamphethe zami lena khona urasta inja ye-IT yabo so uyakhona ukuthi ahacka amafoni sawa-unlocka and then umaphepha sombiza zelami store amafoni enu and then so unlock mase siyawabuyisa then you can get a chance to go through mhlawumbe ama-chats maybe you can find something. Hopefully you don't, yabo, because saying
No, hopefully I don't, but yo, bro, I'd like a chance, like, just to know what's really happening.
Yeah,
'Cause like I say, bro, like, I feel like I'm at the stage in my life where everything, like, I just want to have, like, a proper structure.
That's
you
all.
get? So,
yeah, you don't want to invest and then
I don't want to have, like, someone on the side, like, just doing their funny things and me,
That's
I'm all
all.
about the things. So, yeah, if you guys can help me, then, yeah, I think I can
right.
sleep better at
Send
night.
down right. Send down right. Khuleka. Ngicabanga umabhebeza asimlande.
Okay.
So mlande and then we get straight to business. And then ke ma-control ngayitshuna hayi phekwakhe somthola.
Okay, cool.
Hayi, awukhuleka njalo. Siyanamukela bafethu lana leli show yethu siyibiza i-couples therapy. We like to celebrate young love, yabo, uthando labantu abasha abathandanayo, yabo. Yeah, and umphethu sibhalela wathi hayi kunemama lana engiliphethe manje engihlekisana nalo engathi ngiphethe grand yabona emazi futhi. Oh, uyamvuma.
Yes.
Hayi cha. So that's the whole vibe here na umphethu nje sifuna nje ukuzokwazi ngothando lwenu ukuthi liqale kanjani nahlangana kuphi. Yabo and those kind of things. So you can also like mhlawumbe nisitshele nje amagama enu ezinto njalo angazi uba ufuna ukusithatha kukunini flow.
No, ladies first.
Okay, ladies first.
Yeah.
My name is Zinhle.
Yeah.
And this is my guy, Super.
Super.
Okay, and I we met in college. My first year in college. And then I'm like, who's this guy?
Sure.
I didn't want to choose the guy.
Yeah.
I'm like, show me important, this is important. Show me the guy was like, you know.
Yeah.
So this is
Yeah.
and then ever since that, yeah, I think she should be to be right.
The Kresha bayibone hayi lana vele ngemlanda lona ka. Yabale yini wawuchazwa yini ngaye?
No, in one Nani hairstyle dog, man.
Yeah.
So I think I was just chilling with my friends, right?
Yeah.
So there was a gig that I was supposed to go to.
Yeah.
So I was busy I was on a call with my other nigga.
Yeah.
He was supposed to come through so that we can perform.
Yeah.
So I was just chilling outside. So I saw some hands passing by, and then she was there.
Yeah.
Like she always liked standing out, even from college.
Yeah.
I remember there she had like this other pink hairstyle.
Pink hairstyle. Ah, it's always colorful.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
So like I just liked her character from there. Like she just stood out. So
You like things that stand out vele now.
yeah, I like things that stand out, and she's been my muse, especially my muse.
Sure. Muse. Hey, Dako, please. No, ngenxa dynamic yazi ngiyabona even the aesthetics no too. It yenza sense lento yethu.
Okay, what I like about my guy, we see like we into media and then
Yeah.
so we align. I'm also a musician. I did music.
Oh.
I'm a musician.
Sure.
So that's why in time, like,
Yeah.
and we're always like, if you shake it bright,
Bright.
to blow up.
Sure.
Like, we're gonna be there.
That's good,
And then
that's
we're
good.
working on that.
Yeah, yeah,
Like, leading me. Sizobesila.
Sure.
Soon, nje.
Ay, Jay-Z and Beyonce. Ngencane.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Ngencane.
Yo, this guy, like, yo, he's
Yeah.
very talented. Yo,
Yeah.
his music is dope.
Doof.
Yes,
Yep.
intellectual.
Ayo, yabo nje ayikho into ebalekile nje ukuthi sithole ipartner ebeliever in your cream njalo.
Yeah, you see why I say she's my muse.
Ngithola njalo. Ngithola yabona uthola idiamond. Idiamond. So la ekhaya ke sayethanda ukuthi yabona nje ama conversation meflow kamnandi kanje nasingaphazamiseki. So to avoid ama disturbances sayasicela ukuthi nje nisibole amafoni enu senibekele wona laphana so that the conversation is of flow.
Phone.
Yeah, yabo. So no but ngekenze into so just sayibeka lapha ne safe khuleka. Yabo ngiphethe ama chance amafiki. Ngicela. Senjaya awu collect la. Yeah. How's it? Yeah. So sesekule ndaba le yama muse lena nje yami. Le relationship yini lena like manithi nje nibheka nje uqina kwayo. Angaze naba nama challenges mhlambe umuntu ozama ukungena in between nina ezoniphazamisa la nathi uzozama ukuba i third party.
Okay, okay, I'm an artist, obviously, bro. So sometimes, you know, ladies they like throwing themselves at me and stuff.
Yeah.
So I know sometimes that shit like it pisses her off.
Yeah.
But see, me always explaining to her that no, it's just for my brand
Yeah.
and stuff like that. So
Yeah.
those are some of the issues that we normally fight
Yeah.
about.
Yeah.
Not that I do anything with those hands.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
I'm just faithful to her.
Yeah. So how do you feel when I tell her is it like Angela, do you understand?
I don't understand, obviously, but it's a career.
But
what
she
did
should
I say?
understand because this is the thing, bro. Like she's in the industry. Also.
Yeah.
So
I'm
she
sure you
knows
guys
what
much it
happens.
I feel almost now as well.
Yeah, obviously, but I guess he has to see like more is my news.
Yeah. Okay.
So I can tell those clues.
Like it doesn't plan
Yes.
forever yeah.
Yes.
Anytime. So like if you guys were to like rate a relationship, you know, the strengths are like what's your trust level like? Is it on a scale of 1 to 100?
Hey, to be honest, I see. Okay, we're still building, bro.
Yeah.
You know, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want to put a figure to it. Yeah, we're still building.
Okay. Why not?
Angazi ukuthi nami yazi. But I'm saying the guy.
I'm saying.
Yeah, I can trust the guy.
I'm gonna cheat her.
No.
I get cheat her, man.
I don't know. I mean, I'm cheat.
I'll cheat her.
Yes.
Okay. Nah. Whenever. Yeah, that's all question.
Yeah.
No colleague, baby.
Okay. Cha, ngiyathanda kamanisho njalo yabo ngoba la ekhaya thina ke singo-chef yabo siyapheka. Hlala sebhodweni izinto kunento nje sonidekela ntafula sethi fa. Sinidekele lona lapha nje ayami rasta. Awungisondelele lapho neplata.
And then
Uyabona ke. Nasho ukuthi into eyenzakalayo ngiphethe njami lapha Rasta we-IT. He unlocked the phones and into enzoyenza nje manje you can go through each other's DMs and bona ukuthi akekho nosiphazamisayo yabona nto. Hayi njami seyixovile vele. Wasutatazela manje.
no, angitatazeli mangeke ukuthi ifuna nami like uyithathelane emntwini like service.
Oh, first
What's
is
this
so.
number doing in your phone?
Who's this now?
Stiz.
Bro, you know,
Oh.
there was this one time, like, I took her phone, ne?
Sure.
I was with her phone, like I'd gone to fix her phone for something and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I went to my producer.
Eh.
Stiz, the guy that I'm asking
Oh,
her
Stiz, the
about,
producer,
was
yeah.
my producer.
Uh-huh.
And I know, like, bro, I've never introduced Stiz to her.
Yeah.
And I've never introduced her to Stiz. According to my knowledge, they don't know each other.
Abacavazi.
So this one time, after I fixed the phone, I passed by my producer.
Sure.
You know what, bro? Like, we live in the 21st century now, you know, Wi-Fi and stuff like that.
Sure.
Obviously, a phone can't just automatically connect to a Wi-Fi.
Even they connect.
Babe, like
So you can go say, what's this number doing in your fucking phone, Zinji?
okay. Oh, baby, like what happened is that the other time, yeah, when you're full now in your crib, and then there's a told or no guy, and then there's a number what is your kuluma, yeah.
Manje nakhuluma.
No, kahle fina sikhuluma ngomsebenzi. Yeah, I don't know. How?
What business do you have with Stiz?
Bengikhulumela about lamabhizinisi abo wafuna angithi. Angifuna
Don't have
lamabhizinisi
a
abo.
manager, ungikhulumela ukuthini?
I know, mara like bengizama ukupush career yakho, you know, it's nothing deep, please, babe.
Ungikhulumela manga, ne?
Angiqambela man.
Why do you have Stiz number? Who is even calling? What the fuck? So
Awufuna
he's calling you, telling you about my business.
awufuna
That's what you
iphendule
guys are
sister.
talking about.
Ayiphendule sister Stiz.
No.
Sister.
No,
No, I think I said
no.
iphendule. Ase faka loudspeaker la.
Like, Steve, no.
Fuck you, my nigga.
What's hey babe?
Yini?
What's hey babe?
No. Like, he usually call me like that. Like,
Baby.
all of the girls, like, Bobby's a ranchano, like.
Bro, how
Mara
long,
babe.
how long have you
It's
been
nothing
doing this?
deep.
How
It's
long have you
nothing
been
Ah,
doing
sister
this?
ngeke.
What do you mean?
Angabizi chela
How long
mjita
have
wakhe
you
ngo
been doing
baby.
this?
Yeah. He usually
Ekusekuse
does
nje
that.
ngathi ocheckanga enough mfethu. Ngathi khona esinye stuff esikhona mana sister man. Man, lento mele siyilungise la
Just a
fanda.
producer.
Yabo. Ngathi ma message awuphelanga lapho ke. Uthi uStiz ngathi mana sister relax. Relax anazoyithola ichance ukuthi ungene la yabo.
So him telling you that he loves you, that's you doing things for me.
Ona nalana futhi ama cherry wonke watshela I
No,
love you.
that's you getting things for me.
No, he
Sister.
loves, like, the music.
No, bro, what the fuck?
Ah sister right.
What the fuck?
The music.
See,
Ah,
like you always on my case about all these hands that come to me and are trying to no, man.
Oh! Osho sister grandchild phone uyabona ukuthi vele izinto zenza uyayicafa wena. Manje ngicela usebeyitshona
No,
bra.
angithi nayo please,
Yeah,
please,
you don't need to
nama-badass
check my
bitches.
phone, ne? Where I'm busy.
No,
ne?
babe.
Now, qhubeka manje.
Don't do that.
Jayam.
Yabo.
So, uyamyeka vele?
Yabo.
Ori
Yabo. You see what you did?
Ay, sister angenza nga next mina mfethu ubhizi nabo Stiz la.
Uza lunch. Just
Maye ithi uzoqhubeka no Stiz or uzoqhubeka no Super.
both of them.
Yeah. Ay, izinja bafethu uyabona ke invasion of privacy. Ay, angiyazi namuhla abangani babethu vele babheke uStiz uchathela uSuper la. Uke kuzoqhubeka nabo bowu2. Producer ixovela umjida wayo. Umuntu wayo. Ithi mshayela ama beats kanti mshayela nomabhebeza kana. Hayi. Ziyakhala zikhala on all sides angazi noma thina singamajita esidliwayo or idliwa amathekeni. Hayi isikoko kodwa hayi ngathi 10-0 manje ziyabuya bafethu. Kodwa ke invasion of privacy ngalazo udaba sishilo sathi if kukhona abantu abadala wrong ma relationship nisibhalele. Babe khona sobathola vele bayithena. Mina ngiyi1 siyabalanda sikabo bhayisa. Hayi ungaqondanga ukuslice ama-relationship kodwa-ke hayi it is yours truly i-handsome hankeni umtimbantu umbambolunywe zingambili sifuze khaya konina yophinde ihlangane futhi kwelandelayo mina ngiyazi lento le hayi kuningi it just got kuningi ya